Okay, Jumper, you ready to go camping? Come on, let's go. Yeah, good boy. You gotta go to the bathroom first? You come over here first? Do some business? Good boy. No? You're not going? Okay. Can't leave the garbage in the RV for 2 weeks. Now, maybe we're ready to go. Okay, got the RV all closed up. Electric's off, water's off. Took the garbage out. And we're hitting the road. It's 9:40 a.m. Had coffee with the guys. Packed a few last things inside the truck. Refrigerator's just packed. And Jumper and I are going. When you think of Nevada, you usually think of Las Vegas or Reno, but actually, Nevada is just a bunch of open desert. Occasionally, you get a little rain in the month of June.
A testament to the power of water and erosion over hundreds of thousands of years. This is one of Nevada's original state parks, and visitors have been coming here to explore and enjoy these beautiful surroundings for the past century. Welcome to Cathedral Gorge State Park.
The gorge you see behind me was once a freshwater lake. Over millions of years, volcanic activity in the area laid volcanic ash called welded tuff throughout this whole region. That volcanic ash was ultimately carried into this lake through rivers and streams. And as that welded tuff eroded, it left all this depositional material. And now we have all of these beautiful slot canyons and formations that you can enjoy now that the lake has actually drained away.
Whoa. These things are massive. Well, I hope that doesn't come down. Man, it's dropped 20 degrees in the shade here. Dead end. Another dead end. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Wow. Incredible. I don't know how many of these I'll explore, but I had to go in at least one. I have to try another one though. This is pretty cool. Well, this is one incredible place. Well, there's 3 free for seniors campsites, but they're out in the open, no shade. It's a little warm, it's about 85 degrees right now. I don't feel like sitting around waiting for the sun to go down, although this would be a beautiful sunset shot. But it's only about 4 o'clock, and it's going to remain pretty warm for a couple hours. I don't feel like sitting in this too long, so we're going to take a little ride, see if we can find another place to sleep tonight. Looks like we might hit some rain ahead again. This is Pioche Aerial Tramway. Operated in the 1920s and 30s. Carried ore from the mines on Treasure Hill to Gobi Mill. It's hard to see the cables here, but they go up the hill to that little transfer station there and went over the other side, I guess. In 1928, cost of delivering ore via the tramway to the mill was 6 cents a ton. Downtown Pioche. Overland Hotel and Saloon. Campground number 2. Echo Canyon State Park. Got a fire pit and another fire pit. I don't know what you call those things. And right there is a reservoir where we're going to fish tomorrow. We got a nice little picnic table with a covering, another fire pit, and a water faucet. This is a pretty nice place. A little breezy right now. Looks like it might rain a little bit later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this place. Well, I've had this for a couple of days. Stew meat lean. I better cook it up. I wonder if that'll make a good sandwich. Looks kind of tough, but we're gonna try it.
On the border, Mexican grill and cantina. Cafe style. You know it's got to be good. Kroger Percanti. Not too bad. I bought some baby potatoes. I just sliced up 2 of them. I'm going to put those in the stew meat and butter juice that's left over after the stew meat gets done. That ought to augment my stew beef sandwich very well. Coming along good. And look out there. It's raining. Huh, Jumper? We got a little rain, huh? Yeah. I got this inked keto seed bread. Supposed to be pretty healthy. $6 a loaf. I hope it is. Tastes really good. Love it when it rains on a sunny day.
Stew beef sandwich with mayo, fried potatoes, and olives. That's what's for dinner. Thanks for watching our video. More camping videos coming soon.